Welcome to today's tour, where we explore a beautifully designed Black Japanese minimalist home that combines sleekness with timeless elegance. The minimalist style is rooted in the concept of less is more, with an emphasis on natural materials, subtle color schemes, and a harmonious blend with the surrounding environment. This home is a perfect example of how simplicity and sophistication can coexist. Whether you're an architecture enthusiast or someone looking for design inspiration, this Black Japanese home offers a unique take on modern living with deep cultural roots. The exterior of this home exudes calmness and order. The dominant feature is the deep, matte black facade, which is not only striking but also evokes a sense of tranquility. The design adheres to traditional Japanese principles, where the structure integrates with nature. Large windows, framed in black, allow natural light to flood the interior while offering beautiful views of the surrounding landscape. The use of clean lines and geometric shapes creates a minimalist silhouette, showcasing a refined balance between simplicity and functionality. Stepping inside, you are immediately welcomed into a space that reflects simplicity and warmth. The entrance area is minimalist, with a wooden door framed in black. The foyer features a sleek stone floor, which complements the black tones of the house while adding texture and depth. Subtle light source from the ceiling enhances the space's serene atmosphere. The minimalist aesthetic is maintained, with very few decorative items, focusing instead on the materials and design of the space itself, which creates a calm, uncluttered entryway. The living room is an open space where the design truly shines. The black color scheme is softened by natural materials such as light wooden floors and neutral-toned furniture. A low-profile black sofa sits in the center of the room, surrounded by a minimal selection of furniture, including a low wooden coffee table. The room is designed to be a place of calm and relaxation, with soft lighting and plenty of open space. Large windows allow natural light to pour in, creating an inviting atmosphere that's both modern and timeless. The kitchen and dining area is another example of chic minimalism, with an emphasis on clean, functional design. The kitchen features sleek black cabinetry with a matte finish, complemented by stainless steel appliances. The island, also in black, serves as both a cooking area and a social hub. The dining area is simple but elegant, with a wooden table and minimalist chairs. A feature light fixture hangs overhead, drawing attention to the dining table without overwhelming the space. This open-plan layout promotes a sense of togetherness while maintaining a minimalist style. One of the core principles of Japanese design is its connection to nature. This home embodies this philosophy through its seamless integration with the outdoor environment. The exterior is designed to open up to lush greenery, with a minimalist garden that reflects the natural beauty surrounding the house. The black color of the home contrasts beautifully with the greens and browns of the landscape, while large sliding doors open up to allow easy access to the outdoors, reinforcing the connection between the interior and nature. The bedroom in this black Japanese minimalist home is a sanctuary of calm. The bed, with its clean lines and low profile, is the focal point of the room. Black accents continue to dominate, but the space is softened by a light, natural wood platform beneath the bed and the use of neutral bedding. A simple wooden dresser and a small nightstand provide functional storage without taking up much space. The room also incorporates sliding doors that open to a private outdoor space, allowing the homeowner to enjoy the peace of nature right from their bedroom. The bathroom continues the minimalist theme, with a stunning blend of natural and modern materials. The black walls and stone floors create a sleek, spa-like atmosphere, while a large freestanding bathtub provides a focal point for relaxation. The shower area is designed with minimalist glass panels and a rainfall showerhead. A wooden vanity offers a touch of warmth, balancing the cool black tones. The space is free of unnecessary clutter, with each item thoughtfully placed to enhance the room's overall sense of peace and serenity. Throughout the home, you'll find subtle Japanese influences that pay homage to traditional design principles. Shoji screens are used in some areas to create partitions while allowing light to filter through, adding to the home's tranquil feel. Tatami mats in the living room or a meditation space offer a connection to Japan's ancient cultural roots. The minimalist approach to furniture, with pieces that emphasize functionality over decoration, is a direct reflection of Japanese design philosophy, where the beauty of simplicity is celebrated. This home follows an open-floor layout, which is one of the defining features of modern Japanese design. The living, dining, and kitchen spaces are connected in an open flow that promotes communication and socialization. The use of large sliding doors allows for flexibility, with rooms opening to one another or to the outdoors. The open flow between spaces fosters a sense of openness and freedom, and each area is designed to serve multiple purposes without feeling cluttered or over-designed. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the tone of this Black Japanese minimalist home. The home uses a combination of natural light during the day and soft, ambient artificial lighting at night. Recessed ceiling lights provide subtle illumination, while floor lamps and feature pendant lights add warmth and texture. The strategic placement of light fixtures highlights key areas of the home without overwhelming the space. The result is a warm, welcoming ambience that contrasts beautifully with the cool black elements in the design. In conclusion, this Black Japanese minimalist home is a masterclass in the art of simple elegance. Every detail, from the exterior design to the interior spaces, reflects a commitment to minimalist principles, while also celebrating the beauty of nature and Japanese culture. The use of black tones, natural materials, and a thoughtful layout creates a timeless design that feels both modern and serene. Whether you're looking for inspiration for your own home or simply appreciate the beauty of minimalist architecture, this home exemplifies the power of simplicity in design. Thank you for joining us on this tour of chic minimalism.